insist they want justice.
My brother was only 19 when he was killed. All he was doing was playing basketball.
There is no arguing with the pain of crime victims.
He was brutally murdered. He was shot at 12 times.
But there is growing debate on how to punish offenders. A few dozen survivors of crime went to the Hall of Justice today seeking some. They're starting the formal process to recall newly elected District Attorney George Gascón. LA County Sheriff Alex Villanueva echoed them, saying Gascon's criminal reform agenda is dangerous.
When a person can decapitate their own children and not face the full effects of the law, the full front of the law, I say we have a problem with that. I'm not okay with that.
Gascón has ended the use of sentencing enhancements for all but the most egregious crimes. That means no consideration of added time if someone is a gang member or repeat offender. The office will also no longer seek the death penalty, outraging the family of 10-year-old Anthony Avalos.
He loved his mother, and unfortunately his mother didn't love him because she let her boyfriend Kareem Leiba torture him and murder him.
In a statement today, Gascón said in part, the pain of losing a loved one is immeasurable, and I respect that some victims want me to impose the maximum punishment in their case. Research shows excessive sentencing practices have exacerbated recidivism, leading to more victims of crime. Our system of justice can't continue to rely on policies that create more victims tomorrow simply because some victims want the maximum punishment imposed in their case today. The statement linked to a survey from a group that says it advocates for public safety called the Alliance for Safety and Justice. After interviewing 800 crime survivors, both of nonviolent crime and of the most serious crimes of rape or murder, the survey found 61% of crime victims support shorter prison sentences and more spending on prevention and rehabilitation to long prison sentences.
Progressive justice reform is about thinking about what's best for the people.
Black Lives Matter LA did not endorse a DA candidate, but leaders support Gascon's agenda so far, including the end of charging juveniles as adults.
When we're able to restore children and make them whole, they become benefits, not detractors from our communities. We want public safety. We just want public safety that's truly on behalf of the people.
The recall effort would need about 590,000 signatures to qualify for the ballot. At the Hall of Justice in downtown Los Angeles, I'm Lori Perez, KCAL 9 News.
An unsolved